Hi guys, welcome to my channel. First thing I'm gonna say is ignore my voice today. I will probably explain later why I fucking sound like this. But today I'm gonna be doing outfits inspired by Sanrio characters. I'm gonna answer some questions from my Instagram while I do my makeup. So let's get started. If there's any background noises, it's because they're doing work in like the garden next door, and then my mum has people around, so probably not the best time to film a YouTube video. But anyway, if you can't already tell, I've been growing up my eyebrows again. I'm really not sure what to do with them. Like, I can't sorry, but eyebrows are like the one thing that I've never been good at for whatever reason. Like, I've never mastered a skill because I never know how I want them. But I usually use black eyeliner, but I kind of wanted to do more of a natural look as I've grown them out. So I got this, like, it's like an eyeliner but for your eyebrows, and I got two different colours. I got like the black one, which I'm hoping won't be like pitch black like eyeliner, and then I got an espresso one, so we're gonna try that. Right, I have no idea what style I'm going for. Like eyebrows are like so confusing for me. But let's give it a go. I feel like this colour isn't bad. I don't know, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because this is probably gonna take a while, and then I'll be back to answer some questions. Okay, so my eyebrows actually came out really good, and that was just using like the brown espresso colour, so that's good. What is going on? Okay, so I'm gonna do like my concealer and foundation and everything off camera because I'm just gonna be really quick at that, and then once I've done that I will be back. Okay, I'm back. I've done my concealer and my foundation. I did my eyebrows. I messed them up, but I'm hoping that you can't tell. So the first question I have, someone asked me, when did I start getting into the colour pink? Literally ever since I was born. Like, I was always dressed in pink. I'll have to try and find some pictures, but my first ever pair of shoes were pink. I have a lot of baby pictures in pink. I especially loved it when I was in like year 6. I used to love like Gabby DiMartino and stuff like that, like Ariana, so I'd always be wearing pink, and I still have some of my clothes from back then that I still wear now. And then I guess I kind of went off pink when I first got into secondary school, so in like year 7, year 8, I guess I wasn't really into pink as much, and then I started liking it again probably 2020, and 2019 was when I like really started getting back into it. Do actually have like a style evolution video, I think, on my YouTube, so definitely check that out. Okay, so the next question I got was, where do I get my materials from for my business, Pussy Bags? I'm just gonna say it because I've been getting this question a lot. I don't give that kind of information away because it takes me so long to like research myself on where I get it from. But if it helps, I get most of my things secondhand or like locally, so I kind of can't really like give an answer anyway because most of it is secondhand, so you can't buy it again, which is kind of an issue sometimes. But dude, these builders are so loud. Someone asked, do I plan on getting any more piercings? I don't like plan on it, but I want to. I've really been wanting to get like my nose pierced here, but I just don't know if that's like too much. Sometimes I just wouldn't want that, and plus like they take so long to heal. I really wouldn't want something to go wrong and then it messes up my septum, you know? And I definitely want more on my ears, but I'm just like, I really don't, dude, they're so loud. I really don't like needles or anything like that, so at the moment my focus is just tattoos. You guys, I cannot do my eyeliner recently. Like, It's such a pet peeve. If I didn't have my foundation on, I would wipe this all off. But we're just gonna have to work with it. So the next question, someone asked me, since when do I have a new boyfriend? And this is probably because I put in a TikTok video, like in the caption, that I have a boyfriend. I don't really want to like say stuff on the internet because, like, with my last relationship, I had people like ask me like, oh, did you guys break up? So like people knew, and I kind of don't want that anymore. But yes, I have a boyfriend. It's online right now, and that's why I kind of didn't really want to say too much, because obviously like long distance relationships usually don't work. But yeah, that's probably all I'm gonna say, and hopefully one day he might be on my channel or like on my TikTok or something, but right now I'm kind of keeping it quiet. But anyway, I'm now using my Cult Candy palette. I'm just gonna do pink under my eyes. That's like my go-to thing. So yeah, you might be wondering why I sound like the way I do right now. I have been ill for like a month. I don't know what it is. It's not COVID. I've done so many tests. I literally thought it was COVID, but apparently not. I've just been ill with like everything, and then I had like a cold, and now I'm pretty sure I have like a throat infection. But I'm now on medicine for it, but I sound like this, and this isn't even the worst I've sounded. Like, I've sounded a lot worse than how I do now. Okay, so I'm now gonna get into my first outfit, which is gonna be my outfit inspired by Kuromi. Okay, so I have my first outfit on. This outfit is inspired by Kuromi. Also, please ignore my reflection. It pisses me off a lot. So I'm going to let you know where everything is from. So I'm going to start with this bag so I can put it down. This bag is from my business, Pussy Bags, of course. This is one of like my favorite ever plushies. I just think it's so cute and it's so fluffy. And did my hair like this. I was going to do like half up, half down, but it kind of just didn't look good. So I'm really happy with this hairstyle. I kind of wish it was longer though. I do want to get some like extensions to go super long. And then I have a little scrunchie. I think this is from Shein. I then have this like garter. Like, this is meant to go on your legs to hold up your socks, but I've put it as like a choker to hold up this top because this is a tube top, so it always falls down. I'm pretty sure this is from AliExpress. I could be wrong, but these are like everywhere. The top I got from Vinted. I think the brand is Boohoo. The jacket, I've been trying to hide the little symbol thingy, but this is what I got from Area 51 when I was in America. And then the skirt is from Dolls Kill. I think this is the brand Widow on Dolls Kill. Finally, I have just some plain black socks on, and of course plain black shorts underneath this, just in case anyone sees in the mirror I'm wearing shorts. And then I have my Demonia shoes. So yeah, let me know what you thought of this outfit in the comments, and then we will go on to my next look, which will be my melody. This has kind of turned into a what would Melanie Martinez wear instead of a what would my Melody wear. So I have the same scrunchies in, but I do definitely want to get more scrunchies, definitely. I would have liked to have done like a scrunchie here, and here, but obviously I've only got two. So this corset is what I was sorry, I'm dying. This is what I would wear to prom if I went. This was made for me by my mom and my mom's friend and me. Like, we all just pitched in and did different stuff, but mainly by my mom's friend because she's a seamstress. I'm gonna pair it with these Sugar Thrills. But yeah, these are stunning. The only thing I don't like about them is that they are see-through. So underneath these, I don't know if you can see, but I have shorts on that I actually bought a few days ago from Hidden Cult, and I just thought those were like really cute to match. And then for my shoes, I have my YRU like June boots, the Valentine ones, so I have those on as well. And I'm not sure if my Melody would wear this, and since this kind of turned into a Melanie Martinez kind of look, I'm kind of pairing this with this that I made. This is fake, everyone. This is not real. This is a prop, like it's rubber. It's literally not real. But I added rhinestones on one side, and I feel like this would just look really cute. So I'm going to try and take you pictures with this. I've rambled on for way too long, so let's go on to the next outfit, which is Cinema Roll. And I know I'm going to struggle with this one, but let's just see how it turns out. Okay, so I have my Cinema Roll outfit on. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. I can never pronounce it. As you can tell, I kind of got a little bit lazy with this look. I don't really have much blue or white in my closet. It's mainly all pink. But I tried to pair this, so I have this dress, which is either from Shop Collie or it's from Rinsta, I think. It might be on my Instagram, but I cannot remember. So yeah, I have this dress, and this dress actually does come with a cardigan as well. But I thought I need more like white and like fluffy. It just gives it more of a cute look. Also, this would be cute for like spring or like Christmas if you have like Christmas and it's hot. This jacket is from Sugar and Vapor. This is cute as a cover up, and I don't have any shoes on because, yet again, pretty much all of my shoes have pink on them and they just wouldn't go. But I'd probably just wear this with like white trainers, or like if I had like pastel blue trainers, I feel like that would be really cute. Okay, I'm gonna finish off this video by answering some of the questions from earlier that I didn't get to finish when I was doing my makeup. Someone asked, do you like Billie Eilish? And yes, I do. I'm actually going to see her in exactly a month's time today, actually. Yeah, actually, in exactly a month, I'm going to see her perform in London. Have you ever cried at school? Yes, many times. I didn't cry like much. I wouldn't say, like, I can't really remember a particular time because I think I cried like a few times, but I cried because of like anxiety and panic attacks, of course. I think I've probably cried over like an argument, maybe. Someone said, what do I use for my eyebrows? Obviously today I used a new product which is cute, but I still don't know how I'm feeling about this shape. But I usually just use like black eyeliner. And that is all of the questions from my Instagram. I'll probably have more later. I didn't really put it up early enough. If this video goes up really late and none of this makes sense, then I'm sorry. Like I said, I've been ill and I've had a lot of other stuff going on right now, but I'm gonna try and edit it so that it can go up as quick as I can. I'm very lazy when it comes to editing, as you can probably tell. Let me know your favorite look. I think mine was probably the My Melody look, even though it didn't really look like a My Melody look. It looked more like Melanie Martinez, but whatever, it's not my fault. It's cute. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Give this video a like, subscribe, follow my Instagram, follow my business, follow my TikTok, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.